Hi guys, welcome back to Lamefulation. This is Jovita here, and yes, I'm back with another video. And I know I told you guys that I'll be doing only one video per week, but I lied. Yeah, sorry. But on a serious note, you guys showed me so much of love for my first video, so I thought I should return the love back to you guys. Today's video is 5 cute and easy braided hairstyle looks for everyday school and college. You can also wear it to work if you want to. You can wear it wherever you want to. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys is a simple braid. So let's start with the basics. So if you want, you can part your hair on whichever side you wish. I like this side better. And if you have like a small fringe in the front, you can also leave that fringe and you can start your braid from here like so. But I don't have any fringe, like you can see. That reminds me I need to get a haircut soon. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to show you the braid on this side of my head. So what you want to do first is you want to take like a small section out. So this is like your small section right now. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and braid this. So now this braid can be as long as you want it to be, and just clip it somewhere behind. Make sure that there is no hair coming up like this. So comb this hair neatly behind and then just go ahead and pin this down with a bobby pin. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take a section on this side and I'm going to leave some baby hair out over here because I don't want to look like someone just shaved half of my head off. Now what you want to do is, you're going to take 2 strands in this hand and 1 strand in this, and you're going to hold both these strands tight and push it upwards while you're pulling the first strand. So this is the pattern that it forms. So for the third braided hairstyle, section your hair into 3 parts. So this is 1, 2, this is the third. If it gets difficult for you with the hair on this side, you can just go ahead and pin it up using a clip. Yes, today no one wants to work with me. Nobody wants to work with me. So you open your first section and then you start braiding it. This video is all about braids, if you didn't know that already. And after you braid it, you want to go ahead and secure that braid with a hair tie. So your first braid is secured. Now you're going to work with your section number 2. And secure the braid with a hair tie at the end. So now that you have your 3 braids, what you want to do is you want to go in. What you want to do is you want to go in and fan them out a little bit, so they look a little more bigger and thicker. Now you have 2 options for this hairstyle. What you can do is you can go ahead and clip up and down each of your braid. So you can do that, pin them up separately using bobby pins. Or what you can do is braid the braids. Yes, this video is all about braiding, like I said. If you didn't know that till now, then I don't know what you're doing here, buddy. I don't know what you're doing here. So I'm braiding my braids. just adjust them the way you want them to look, and voila. And after you pin them, you go ahead and remove all the hair ties. Today just nobody is interested in working with me. Neither are the hair ties, bobby pin. So now for the next and the last hairstyle. This is one braid which is already made. This is the middle section that I took out, secured with a hair tie. Don't forget to put a hair tie down and secure it. So now what I'm going to do is pick like a small section from this part and start rotating it. Now this hairstyle is a little bit tricky and a little difficult to do because you got to roll these things and manage to pin them down as soon as possible so that they don't open up, because they are just rolled and twisted. And then just pin it down behind for now. And then this is your second section, which is a braid. You go and pin that down as well. Take another third section from here, this part, and roll that as well. So now, like the previous hairstyle, I'm giving you two options in this as well. So you can leave this as is, just pin it down and leave it. So it will look something like this. So if you want to do this hairstyle that I'm going to show you now, it's a little tricky, so you need to be a little fast and quick in doing it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to braid all the three together. But the thing is that we have just rolled these two sections, so it tends to open up. So you need to be really fast in it. Remember, I'm holding this tight in my hand so that it doesn't open up. And then this one, just twist it some more. So these are the two twisted strands in my hand, and this is the third braided strand. So you're going to twist and you're going to braid. And then don't forget to open your hair tie. So this is what it looks like. So yeah guys, this was my second video. I hope you found it really helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more videos. And yes, this was my second video and it came out in the same week. Might be a surprise bonus video like today's in the next week as well. So if you would like to watch anything specific, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below and I'll try to deliver those videos to you. So if you want to watch some more hairstyle videos, leave them in the comment section below, and also let me know what kind of makeup tutorials you guys would like to watch so I could deliver them to you in the coming weeks. Let me know what you liked about this video and what you disliked. I love reading all your comments, and also constructive criticism is always welcome. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. The links are in the description box below. So go ahead and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and yeah. Until next time, peace and love. Bye. Love you.